Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure the watch has adequate battery and your paired iPhone is within Bluetooth range. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open the Watch app on iPhone and navigate to General Reset to erase Apple Watch content and settings if you still have access. If you cannot unlock the iPhone or watch, power off the watch, then force a restart only after you initiate the erase from the watch face recovery options. These first steps clear the passcode. Once you've chosen the erase path, tap Erase Apple Watch content and settings on the iPhone and confirm. The process uploads the erase command and shows progress. If you must do it from the watch, go to Settings, General Reset, erase all content and settings, then enter your Apple ID when prompted. If the watch is unresponsive, place it on the charger, press and hold side button and digital crown until reset mode appears, then follow on-screen prompts to wipe it clean. You now pair the watch to your iPhone and choose to restore from the latest backup or set it up as new. Restoring returns apps and settings without the old passcode. Make sure you sign in with the same Apple ID used previously to clear activation lock. If you encounter an activation lock prompt or errors during pairing, sign into AppleID. Apple.com to check device removal or start Apple ID account recovery. As a final troubleshooting tip, reboot both devices and retry pairing before contacting Apple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.